What? Hey! Hey, your car! Good windy morning from Oklahoma again, guys. Another day of high wind warning, 50 to 60 mile per hour. And guess what? The next 4 days on the calendar are all the same. 60 mile per hour gusts. I don't really know what to compare it to. It's like South Dakota, North Dakota. It's just brutal sometimes. This has tipped over and broken recently. That wood is still fresh and crisp from where it tipped over. Yeah, it can be windy out here. If you don't think this Deadcat Rode VideoMic Pro Plus microphone is helping things, you would not believe what it would sound like without this. I would not be able to film for a week outdoors. Yeah. We're here on a historic highway, a historic road here in Oklahoma. The 412 is the straightest road in the country. There is one up in North Dakota that's close. It's like 47 miles. But this stretch, 50 miles of the straightest road in the country. That is the record here in Oklahoma. Has a nice path for all the wind to go. Yeah, I'm still going straight west right now, but I'm gonna cut up into a new state soon. Doing good, feeling good. Miranda's driving really well. Still getting about 8-9 miles per gallon in her, and I'm getting used to her now. I'm starting to really like her. So, yeah. We gotta do a little more driving today though, okay? I know you want to stretch your paws, huh? Oh, you want to stretch your belly? Okay, stretch your belly right now. Oh my, look at that. Just makes you want some, huh? You sharing? Can I have some belly? No, I'll bite you, Dad. I'll bite you, Dad. Yeah, you will bite me. I'll bite her. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes you take these back roads and there's nothing, like literally nothing. There's nowhere to stop. I mean, they do have a couple of these picnic areas. I just found another one. Gonna have lunch with Jax. You know, but it's tough because, like I said, you want to stay off the main highways, you want to have fun, you want to explore the back roads. The problem is, oftentimes, for me at least, there's never anything to see. There's not even a gas station to stop at. So, yeah, and you know, the wind is kind of nice when you have the windows open, but it's so darn hot. It's 82 degrees with 60 mile an hour winds. So we're sitting at 14.4 volts, basically unlimited solar coming in right now. So let's crank the AC on since we're getting all this sun. 67 degrees. Yeah, let's cool it to that. Yeah, that's just the fan. The compressor hasn't kicked on yet, but it will here in a second. There we go. A little bit of a hiccup. I want to get one of those soft start devices. It's like an inline thing that makes it so it doesn't double the amps it needs to start the compressor up each time. That'll really help this summer when I want to do air conditioning remotely off of the batteries. Time for lunch. Jax? Oh, you're right there. You want some lunch? I thought so. Are you hungry? Oh, okay. Also, you know, for these quick stops on the road where the slides do not go out because I'm just getting lunch, my kitchen is not fully functional, but it's definitely workable. Okay, I can't get to any of the drawers under the sink there, but all three of these drawers will open, and I have access to both of the top drawers. They will open up all the way for me. I just have to reach across to grab stuff. And on the other side, I've got this pantry here. So I'm gonna change that up later. But I mean, it's not essential to put the slides out to live in this thing. I could definitely live in it with the slides in for a week and still be okay. Jax is always first to eat because him's a good boy, and I'm gonna do some PB&J. I mean, at least we're getting a really nice breeze coming through all these windows, right? It's really windy. I'm not spending the night here at this Walmart, but right now I'm in Guyman, Oklahoma, and Kansas is just north of us. I stopped at Walmart because I needed to get some storage solutions taken care of, things that were just not working. And those solutions take place in the bathroom area, which I love. I have gone back to blue theme here in the bathroom. The hand wash towel, and I got one of these bath mats for the floor down there. I have been collecting some good ideas because YouTube is a great platform to share what is working, what isn't working, and to inspire other people to get some ideas. I was following a channel called The Glamping Guys, and I will put a link up top over here and a link in the video description if you want to see some of their videos. They've been showing some really interesting storage hacks for an RV or a fifth wheel or whatever it is. And essentially, it's come to this so far for me because it's useless to just have stuff sitting up here that's just gonna fall over while you're driving. So having these storage bins means stuff goes in, can be placed here while I use it. I'm done brushing my teeth, the stuff goes back in, so that it kind of organizes everything. I'm not done with this area, obviously, but that makes it a lot more easy. And there's a bunch of other like cooking type stuff on there that I really appreciate the tips, guys. I'm learning a lot. As for the counter, it would still be nice to keep something here all the time and not have to pull everything out, like hand soap, just some of the common things. And you can't do that because everything will just slide off the counter while you're driving. You can't set up till I get parked every day. I have a solution though. I picked up these baskets for 10 bucks here at Walmart. I think they're Better Homes. Is there a label on here? Yeah, Better Homes and Gardens. You know, they got the little liner in there, and they look normal, okay? But if I move this Kleenex box, this can go on the corner. But Eric, why would it stay there? Well, because these are special bathroom baskets that have metal clips, and it comes with the screws. So that the screws will be in the wall. I understand there's going to be a hole in the wall, but it's all for a good cause. And then you'll simply put this on there, and it'll sit flush, and it cannot slide. It can't slide until you pull it up off of the screws and move it somewhere. So I am going to put one basket here, definitely. That way we'll store some hand soap and some other common things used in the bathroom. I have also installed a extra paper towel rack holder. This will hold 3 more extra rolls. It just kind of puts it fills this space that can't be used for anything, okay? This wide open space, you can't do anything with it, so it might as well be extra toilet paper holder. So I'll get that guy installed there. I should be able to use the other 2 baskets somewhere. You guys can see the Deadcat furry thing up here. This is what I was talking about, that makes it so that my audio is not ruined when I'm outside in the high wind. Yeah. I was also thinking about putting another one of these baskets over in the couch area, possibly up against that wall. That way it can hold some of my most commonly used cords and my Wi-Fi device and cameras and remotes, extra batteries for all of my cameras. That way it's not going to slide off the couch and I don't have to put them away into one of these compartments every single time I want to drive. I can just scoop it off the table, put it in a basket. I know it's going to be safe while I'm driving. But there are lots of storage things on my list, and there will be time for that later. Right now, I just wanted to get the bathroom situated, so let me work on a few projects, and I'll get back to you guys. Sweet. So I mentioned these were actually on clearance. I don't know if you're going to find them anymore at Walmart, maybe online or something like that. But I also realized that this cloth insert is removable, Velcro. You can wash this in case you spill something in there as well. But this ain't going nowhere. I love it. Oh, okay, wait. The other thing that I have to fix today is this stupid stovetop. Okay? While I'm driving. Just non-stop. Atwood, why did you make this a 2-piece system? I get it, you gotta clean under there, but like this part has rubber grommets to go into so that doesn't rattle, but the entire top, ugh, it's just baffling. So I pull this off and I throw it on the bed every single time I'm driving. I have tried the foam fuzz. I've tried putting the towels under here like this. It vibrates so much while driving that these just fall off and they're on the ground or they're inside here. Or I come back and it's like literally sitting like this by the time I get done driving. Are you kidding me right now? I'm fixing it. I don't care if I have to drill self-tapping screws into the Korean countertop and into this base right here, into that metal part right there, I think. I don't care. I'm not living life like this. That is ridiculous. Atwood, you suck. But take care of you. I just made that stove my better for full timing. Yeah, you're gonna see the 2 screws there, and you can see 2 screws in the back. They are removable too, so I don't know. I've never seen anybody go to those extremes, but you have no idea how frustrating that is driving down the road and just non-stop. Like, it hurts my ears to hear that. So this was a much better fix than anything I have tried in the past, and I'm happy with it. What other awesome storage ideas have you incorporated into your RV life? Is there something I should know? Is there something you like to share with the world? Put it in the comments below. Anything from what you use to clip stuff to the wall, you know, what kind of adhesive and what kind of Velcro and stuff like that, to any other storage ideas. I would love to hear from you. I'm sure plenty of my viewers would like to hear about it as well. So because of the wind, I have decided to take a break from the road and try to get back to like where I was going to get into Kansas on... What? Hey! Hey, your car! Stop! Your car's loose! Stop! Jeez, these guys are impossible to flag down. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I just got done talking with them. They were not secured and it ripped everything. It cut into the tire here and did a lot of damage there. Both of these came off and that was a painful sound. I knew as soon as I heard it, that is not a sound that an RV is supposed to make. And then I saw both arms dragging. So they had AAA. They have already called AAA. They're on the way out to help because that is a mess. And they're gonna have to probably tow the car. But anyway, at least they finally came to a stop in a safer... Jeez, I'm just spooked by everything. Really? They've got AAA coming. It's going to be several hours. They got to bring a tow truck for the car, and then they got to get the RV to a maintenance shop for the rear. Man, guys, check your loads. This is a friendly reminder. Otherwise, this could happen to you. Whew, scary. Like I said, I'm gonna park here overnight at the Walmart in Guyman, and then hit the road tomorrow. Try not to blow the RV over in the wind, okay? All right, bye guys.